So you might be trying to figure out how you can make calls on your Android phone without having a SIM card installed or without having cell phone service at all. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic. Now, there's a couple different ways to do it. Number one, you can go ahead and download a third-party application on the Google Play Store that will allow you to basically, get calls via Wi-Fi. So you can find the little search button somewhere wherever your search button is, and you can go through and you can search for something like text free or text now, one of those types of applications, and those will allow you to basically call and text people completely for free. So this is one of those types of options that you have here. You can see this is kind of what it looks like, free unlimited calling and texting, and you can go through and kind of adjust it that way. So this is one of those types of applications. This is not the only one, but this is a good starting point. Now, another really good option, which I would recommend for a lot of people, is Google Voice. Google Voice is an application made by Google, and it basically allows you to go through and, call people via your Google account. So you can go through and you can go ahead and kind of do this kind of stuff, and that is something that's really nice. So you can go through, download Google Voice, and you can go ahead and get a Google Voice number associated with your Google account. So this is something that's really cool. You can link your phone number first with your Google account, and then you can go through and get an actual phone number for your particular account. So that is something that's really cool. You can get texts, call people, all those things straight from this type of account, and that's another really cool thing you can do too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.